Rhyming words have different beginning sounds but have the same vowel and ending sounds. For example, car, bar, tar, and call, mall, tall, and fall. Bag,
tag,
net,
wet,
get,
date,
cake,
take,
pack,
quack,
car,
jar,
jeep,
sheep,
kick,
sick,
sing,
ring,
old,
gold,
boat,
goat,
duck,
truck,
seed,
weed,
pot,
cot,
dish,
fish,
fat,
cat,
sun,
bun,
shower,
tower,
file,
smile,
hat,
rat,
hall,
fall,
bell,
sail,
nest,
rest,
bill,
fill,
hill,
mill,
shop,
top,
shut,
cut,
men,
ten,
pin,
tin,
cub,
tub,
free,
tree,
cone,
bone,
tube,
cube,
kitten,
mitten,
sad,
mad,
up,
cup,
day,
way,
boy,
toy,
sand,
band,
hero,
zero,
hen,
pen,
door,
four,
hole,
mole,
map,
lap,
win,
bin,
fox,
box,
bug,
rug,
pig,
wig,
run,
fun,
fan,
pan,
mop,
hop,
cap,
tap,
lorry,
sorry,
melt,
belt,
alarm,
farm,
bus,
bus,
soap,
rope,
no,
go,
chip,
zip,
cool,
pool,
bite,
kite,
ink,
wink,
oil,
boil,
can,
man,
row,
bow,
dream,
stream,
care,
share,
hand,
land,
clip,
slip,
nut,
hut,
life,
wife,
fear,
deer,
cake,
bake,
rain,
brain,
slate,
plate,
well,
tell,
cock,
lock,
dog,
frog,
table,
cable,
clap,
tap,
right,
bright,
new,
few,
wall,
ball,
song,
long,
jet,
pet,
big,
dig,
wool,
fool,
wild,
child,
coat,
float,
place,
case,
bridge,
fridge,
sheet,
feet,
wine,
9,
men,
pen,
7,
heaven,
pick,
lick,
main,
lane,
dove,
love,
lump,
jump,
face,
race,
height,
tide,
add,
bad,
jug,
mug,
cook,
book,
mall,
call,
mouse,
house,
nose,
rose,
car,
far,
moon,
spoon,
out,
shout,
camp,
lamp,
meat,
neat,
chin,
fin,
tiny,
shiny,
line,
pine,
last,
fast,
game,
name,
tight,
fight,
monkey,
donkey,
fax,
wax,
files,
tiles,
lake,
shake,
red,
bed,
glass,
class,
lip,
ship,
fog,
log,
chalk.
walk.
Thanks for watching.